Hi, this is Dr. Pan recording from Tucson, Arizona. Hoping you're having a good math night. Thank you for watching this clip on solving a trig equation. The first time I saw the solution to this trig equation, I literally cried, "Not fair." Unless you saw it once, there's no way, I wouldn't be able to anyway, to conjure up that. The idea is this. We're going to multiply both sides by radical 2 over 2. And the reason we do this is we're going to use a formula says that sine x sine y cosine x cosine y plus this one is equal to, so you can still see it, this is a sine, cosine of x plus y. And the only time I can make both x and y the same is radical 2 over 2, because for radical 2 over 2, sine of pi over 4 is equal to cosine of pi over 4 equal to radical 2 over 2. Okay, so now let's apply for that one. So we have radical 2 over 2 sine of x plus radical 2 over 2 cosine of x is equal to minus radical 2 over 2. I know, it's totally unfair. Now on this side, as we said earlier, we can use this formula. We end up with the cosine of x plus y, which is x plus radical, not radical 2, pi over 4. Now the reason this is pi over 4 is because this one is cosine of pi over 4, and this sine is sine pi over 4. So conveniently it works out. And then we kind of force and trick to the system into a cosine of x plus pi over 4. And this one is equal to minus radical 2 over 2. Radical 2 over 2, you draw a unit circle for cosine, which is the x value. We have an angle here and angle here. The first angle goes this way, and let's call it a theta 1. And that's equal to, let's say, 90 plus 45, or let's write it in pi units. So it's 3 pi over 4. Okay. And then another bigger angle, it's this one all the way around here. Let's call it theta 2. This one is 5 pi over 4. And once we have those two theta, we're going to say, well, this is the two angles. So this is the angle, and this is the value. So basically, x plus pi over 4 can equal to two answers. One of them is 3 pi over 4, or you can have x plus pi over 4 equal to 5 pi over 4. And from here, it's pretty easy to solve. The fast-paced action is already done. X equal to pi, or here x is equal to added over there. I think I missed the sign here. This is actually a minus sign. My apology. This is actually a minus sign here. So I have a minus over here, minus over here. Yuck. It's not pretty anymore. Okay, so anyway, added over here, x equal to pi, and added over there, you have a 6 pi over 4. Let's simplify it. So I have a 3 pi over 2. Okay, that's two solutions. Now let's double check it, because at the beginning we were supposed to have sine x plus cosine x equal to minus 1. So let's check. Sine x at pi, I always draw this curve out. It's easier for me to see. Sine pi equal to 0, so I have 0 plus cosine. Let's write it as a sine of x. Cosine of x goes similar, but shifted over pi over 2. At pi, I have minus 1. Yay, check on this one. Let's go over here. Let's see what happens over here. Here's my sine curve. So sine x plus cosine of x, let's see if equal to minus 1. At 3 pi over 2, I have minus 1 plus cosine, this is sine. And cosine over here, a little squeezed for space here. Cosine over here looks like that. And I have a 0 here. Very convenient. Once again, that's a check answer as well. So as you can see, the answer is x equal to pi, x equal to 3 pi over 2. Now, like I said, at the first time when I saw the solution, I said, no way, someone got a trick to the system. Now, once you see it once, next time when you see it again, it's not a such surprise. And little by little, hopefully, you're starting to appreciate the simplicity of this trig equation. Well, that's how we handle this one. Once again, from Tucson, Arizona, this is Dr. Pan. I hope the video has been helpful to you. I would appreciate a comment or a thumb up. Until next time, have a confident day.